Hey there, fellow moms! Welcome to Empowered Mommy Tribe, where we celebrate the incredible journey of motherhood together. I'm Lou, and I'm not just your host, but also a mom just like you. By day, I'm a dentist, but when I come home, I dive headfirst into the beautiful chaos of motherhood. Like many of you, I've faced my fair share of challenges on this journey. Being a mom without the support of family nearby has its tough moments, trust me. But you know what? That's why I created this channel. To build a supportive community for moms like us. Here at Empowered Mommy Tribe, we're all about sharing knowledge, offering support, and providing practical tips to help you navigate the ups and downs of motherhood with confidence. Whether you're a first-time mom or a seasoned pro, whether you're navigating sleepless nights or tackling toddler tantrums, this is a place where you'll find inspiration, encouragement, and a lot of love. So mama, grab a cup of coffee or tea, if that's more your style, take a seat and join our tribe. Together, we've got this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey. Until next time, take care and keep shining. Empowered Mommy Tribe, because motherhood is better together.